Stingrays are a type of cartilaginous fish that are found in the oceans around the world. They are characterized by their flattened bodies, which are wider than they are long, and their long, whip-like tails that are armed with one or more sharp barbs. Stingrays are typically brown or gray in color, and they have a distinctive diamond-shaped body that is covered in tiny, tooth-like scales. In the waters around Atlantis, stingrays are a common sight. These gentle creatures are known for their friendly and curious nature, and they often approach snorkelers and divers in search of food. Despite their reputation for being dangerous, stingrays are generally not aggressive toward humans unless they are provoked or feel threatened. If you encounter a stingray while swimming or diving in the waters around Atlantis, it is best to give them plenty of space and avoid touching them or getting too close to their tails. Atlantis is a world-renowned resort located on Paradise Island in the Bahamas. It is known for its luxurious accommodations, stunning beaches, and a wide range of activities and attractions. The resort covers a vast area, and its amenities include several large hotels, numerous restaurants and bars, shopping centers, casinos, a marina, and a water park. The centerpiece of the resort is the Aquaventure Water Park, which boasts over 20 water slides, a lazy river, and several pools. The park also features a large aquarium that houses a variety of marine life, including sharks, stingrays, and sea turtles. One of the most famous attractions at Atlantis is the massive marine habitat, which is home to over 50,000 aquatic animals. Visitors can take guided tours of the habitat, and even snorkel or scuba dive alongside the marine life. There is also a dolphin encounter program where guests can swim and interact with dolphins. the accommodations at Atlantis range from luxurious hotel rooms and suites to private villas and condos. Many of the rooms offer stunning ocean views, and some have access to their private beach areas. The resort also features a world-class spa, fitness center, and golf course. Overall, Atlantis is an excellent vacation destination for anyone looking for a luxurious and adventurous getaway in the Bahamas.